If you're looking for dog crates soft, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Crates Soft. Number 1, Most Popular, by EliteField. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Petsfit. Number 3, by Nose to Nose. For more details about these products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Favorite. Number 5, by OxGord. Find these dog crates soft at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Petnation. Number 7, by Go Pet Club. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Explorer. Number 9, by Petsfit. Discover more dog crates soft ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Go Pet Club. Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.